Candlestick Roll. The candlestick roll is a great way to challenge coordination and improve core stability. The multi-compound exercise is a combination of hollow rock, candlestick, and full squat. The core muscles stabilize the body and maintain the body arch that enables the body to roll on the mat. The abdominal muscles stabilize the pelvis and maintain spinal flexion, and the hip flexors stabilize the legs and prevent them from falling. With the transition to squat, the target muscles change. The quadriceps extend the knee, the gluteus maximus extends the hip, and the core muscles stabilize the torso.